Food, baby. I love food, and I know that you love food too. So today I have again an episode of food and drink. This time we go to Greece again. I have a Greek sandwich, Feta Zucchini sandwich with some flakes of Carolina Reaper powder. I don't know whether you can see that. Check it out. There's some red flakes. Not many though. This is just for flavor. And as a drink I have a Greek wine, Imiglikos. And I'm super psyched. It smells very good, the wine. Let's try the epic Greek Feta Zucchini sandwich. It's one of my staples. That's why I wanted to show you. It's amazing. So basically I just fried the zucchini. I put some feta, some flakes, and that's it. Let's try it. If you never had a sandwich like this, if you never had veggies, like an antipasti sandwich for example, try it. It's an absolute blast. Real nice. The warm zucchini, the hint of spice there, the feta with a nice flavor. It's not the best feta that I've ever eaten, so it really depends on the feta. If you are in Greece, of course, you get the best quality. Here in Germany you can find good quality, but this one is a normal one from the supermarket and it's fine, nothing special. And I would give the feta zucchini sandwich 89 points. Let's try the wine then. There it is. Nice and cold. So it's a sweeter variation of wine, a sweeter wine from the northern coast of the Peloponnese. So not bad at all. Perfect wine for an evening. Very good wine with this food here, the Imiglikos. And I would give the wine from Greece 76 points. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Food and Drink. Try different things from different countries because it's amazing. Comment, like or dislike, subscribe of course to my channel, and see ya.